Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Today I'm going to be setting a tablescape for one. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I'm so thankful from the bottom of my heart that you support my channels. Now this is just a quick reminder that this evening at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now this evening there is no guest. It is freestyle and I cannot wait to see your amazing creations. I'll see you tonight. Have an amazing day and God bless you.